Hi, my name is Jenny. First of all, I wanted to thank Dr. Green and the entire staff here for instilling confidence and skills in my son that he will have for the rest of his life. We're very grateful for that, and we're also very excited to share it. And if you are the parent of a child and you're worried about proper nutrition for them, I highly recommend you contacting Dr. Green. Hunter's weight issue started when he was a young child, and we noticed he could eat the same things as his brothers and play the same sports, and his weight would increase while theirs would not. Although we eat healthy overall as a family, something wasn't working for him, and I did not know how to fix it. I was worried about proper nutrition for a child and self-esteem. Those things together led us to find Dr. Green, and she helped us with a program that would ensure he got all of his nutrients, but also teach him how to do this for the rest of his life. And that's probably the most exciting part. The first time we came, she asked me to take a back seat. She sat him down, spent an enormous amount of time reading labels, learning, teaching him how to read labels, how to find the hidden tricks in marketing, and what kinds of substitutions we could use so that he was eating the same foods that everybody else did. And asked me not to oversee him too much at home, but for any questions he had, to come into the clinic and discuss those with her. Through that process, he has learned how to do this on his own. He's been enormously successful, and I really think these lessons will stay with him for the rest of his life. It has benefited our entire family. We've all made some changes. The substitutions are so easy. Low carb bread, the chocolates that Dr. Green has recommended, the cauliflower pastas, everything that we do is real food. And it has been very easy to just change our eating habits ever so slightly and see results across the board. So we are enormously thankful to you, Dr. Green, and your staff for all you have taught us. Thank you.